guess what challenge we finna be doing. Guess what challenge we finna be doing. So we gonna do the every kill my cousin gets, I have to eat one of the. Oh my God! Look at this lighting. I have to eat.
Can you move that, please?
Bro, can you wait? I have to eat these hot chips.
Oh, tournaments?
So yeah, I'll see you when the game starts.
We got join the server. Oh, bro, we playing this. Yeah. Just go ahead and tell that whole bag, cause I'm about to get about let's think about 500 kills. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You match my kills.
You wish. Cause there's not even 500 people in this game. What you do it again? What you just did? Can't believe you just did that.
Oh, you so can't believe he just did that.
So I got the chips. So I got the chips right there. Let me have them open. Got them right there. Those hot chips.
So where we landing at, guys?
So where we landing at? I'm just kidding.
In the Porcina.
Okay, so where are you going?
In the Porcina.
DJ, stop being nasty.
I'm dead serious. I'm going to the casino.
Cocina?
Porcina. Tilted Towers.
Oh.
I'm playing. The Porcina is Linky Lake. I don't know. I'm going to Tilted. Don't get my phone.
Yep, I got the chips.
Using your phone. No, you're black.
He playing it on that type of controller. The PS4 controller.
There you go. You faggot, bro. I'm taking everything out of this chest.
Well, hurry up.
Bruh.
I'm just kidding.
Bruh. You fucking faggot, bruh. You deserve to go to hell. Yeah, bitch. What's up, little bitch?
Go get some kills.
Look, get this. It said land at Greasy Gold. Watch this. I'm about to land at Greasy Gold. The fuck? You must want to finish that bag over there rushing. Landing.
He really thinks I want to finish this whole bag. It's like it's not like that much in here, but it's like a lot in there. It's like in a medium side. It's like in a medium.
It's gonna be a medium size dick.
Oh, yesterday we went to Renfro.
You did?
Hmm.
How looking over there?
Good.
Hey, bro, if you see a girl named Maya, 8th grade, bro, tell her I said I love you, bro. I miss
That's
her
your girlfriend?
Too. No, that's my friend that I wanted to go out with. I miss her, bro. She was so nice, bro. She was real nice, bro. She got pissed off at me, though. I ain't tripping about that. Told that I told my friend, her friend, that I got a girlfriend. But at new school, she told her she got pissed the fuck off, bro.
Why you gotta cuss so much?
Pissed. I don't know, bro.
Yeah, he was doing that. He was doing that.
She's not even on your She's not even on your phone. She can get your plate. Tag. I'm gonna go with tag, cause more kills. You know what I'm saying? They call me Cuddy. I'm gonna go to A, cause our team is losing.
Which one is y'all? The 6? The blue one?
Yes, ma'am. Right now, sit, you know what I'm saying? My best friend got a boyfriend.
Who? Avril?
No. not my best friend.
Why? Did your girlfriend?
No.
Why? What happened to y'all?
Who?
What happened to you and Ava being friends?
We are friends. We're just
You
not.
said you are not friends. Me and Ava are not friends. That's what you said.
Well, I ain't even like that. We not best friends. That's what I meant.
Y'all just regular friends?
Yes, ma'am. She all cool on that, bro. I can't believe my friend said they boy had that ugly fault. Thank you. That stung my heart right there, bro. That was like, do you even know him? I asked her what his name was. She didn't even answer me, so I was like,
Curse too much. But can you at least go get some kills?
that's what I'm trying to do, girl. Ain't.
Use a launch pad or something.
Oh, look, here. I don't have one.
Hit it.
So if you could please politely stop being a pussy now and rushing me. I'll try to get that shot as fast as we can, okay? Oh yeah, boy, you're about to die.
What do you see?
Okay, bro, there's my
Get your
angry
regular,
dude.
get your whatchamacallit gun out.
Pistol.
Pistol.
What the heck?
Look, you can easily snipe them. Well, looks like I have to eat one of these again. We'll eat one of these, actually. Gotta eat another one. He got 2 kills. Whoop, another one.
Finally, the first person to kill me. Dang, got 3 kills. Y'all boys is trash. My ping's on 200, so that means that you're doomed. They may not call me Cardi, but I'll still rock a party. Every time I come through,
I'm gonna be like a Ferrari.
I guess.
And I could.
Gobi.
Oh, I gotta eat another one because he just eliminated. Wait, let me get a bigger one. That one?
No! I should have built around me. No, I don't care. I threw them nice 2 Kobe's.
And then after you get this kill, it's my turn, and then you gotta record this, and then you gotta do the challenge too.
What?
And then after I
Who
get,
said I agree
and
with
then
that?
after I get 2 kills, you go again.
Who said I agree with that challenge?
I did, and the Lord that blessed me said that I could.
But I did not agree to it. Agree to them terms and policies of the challenge.
Well, guess what? I did, and the Lord did. Now
Well,
go
Honey
to
Boo
church.
Child, you're not the Lord. I already did this show. Honey Boo Child.
My turn. My turn to get a kill. These are actually kind of good though. Even though I've tried these plenty of times before, but they can still be called good.
Yeah, I just got that for. Hell no. Ooh, making me on.
Hurry up and join.
What's up, my sons and my daughter? What's up? Really? You a faggot, bruh. And I had a fucking charge up, bruh. I ain't tripping this phone with no shield anyway. Hobos. What's up, y'all? With me. I think I'm about to kill somebody, guys. Come here, you fucking faggot.
Stop cussing so much.
Now, where you at? Just saw you.
To be honest, I did see somebody too. Whoop, gotta eat another one.
What? This dude hit me for a headshot when I jumped. What's up, my son? Nigga, I ain't kill. Not even gonna make you bad, bruh.
Bruh. Did y'all not just see that?
You do?
You gotta
That
finish.
skin is ugly, bruh. At first, it's a little ugly.
Oh, so whoever gets to 100 gets the wins? Huh? Oh. It's like your team losing.
Yeah, man.
Have you ever win against Kaylin or something? Or someone of them? Huh?
Oh, you talking about from Monterey?
Yeah. Whoop, gotta eat another.
Get out of my face, brother.
Oh, yeah, in a minute I'm gonna be doing a vlog, so yeah. Oh, gotta get another.
Ten kills. What you talking about? What is you talking about? No, I'm not about to join you. I'm in the middle of a match.
And plus we're doing a challenge too.
Bruh.
Camera
Oh,
over
you
here.
got that trash thing? With that trash skin? That trash default? Man, what the fuck, bruh?
Why you keep... I don't understand you. Why you keep cussing?
Yeah, I'm pissing me off and shit. to go see Halloween. That shit was fire. I ain't gonna tell y'all nothing. I ain't gonna tell y'all nothing about anything. Cause then y'all gonna get mad at me for spoiling it. And I don't need that. I need y'all as my friends. You're very good friends. You fag. Get out of my face. Trash bum. Man, why you shoot at me, bruh? That's my question. Why? I'm on 10 HP.
Well, at least you do have 10 kills.
I seen one person that came to our school. I ain't say nothing. Cause I ain't about to talk to him. I don't know. I just know I saw somebody. They look like they were from my school.
I ain't gonna let them take your kill.
$11 kills.
Wow, he made one.
Bro, nobody cares about your rich self.
Oh, more.
I'm about to say. If I lose, I eat 5 of them.
You eat 5 of these chips? Huh? Okay,
I need to
deal.
get a. If I don't get a kill by the time they win, then. Y'all know what I want. What? Did you just hear that? Bro, this game is doodoo, bro.
Bro, I just had to play second place. You gotta eat 5 of those. 1. Well, that's actually your second. 3, 4, 5. Well, he at least did the challenge, but except he just didn't win. But you know what? That's fine. Okay, so bye, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below what you thought about this video. So, yeah, peace.